is Jamie. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you guys are new. I am doing an after dark clean with me. Technically it's 1:30 in the morning. I just could not sleep this night. Both of my kids are at my mom's house in Ohio for a few weeks this summer, and my husband is on third shift now, so I was trying to go to sleep, but the struggle, I couldn't. So I just figured I'd go ahead and get up and get some cleaning done, so it would just be done and I didn't have to worry about nothing in the morning. Just get up, make my coffee, and just relax. So now I'm just going to dust the entertainment center. As y'all can see, it is so dusty. I haven't dusted it in about a week. Usually I have to dust like every other day, every day to every other day. So here I'm just picking up the dog beds, and Bailey just was not moving. He just wasn't having it. He wanted his lazy day. So right here, this is my son's computer and desk. Since we've been redoing his bedroom, I'm using his desk and computer screen right now. I just got my laptop plugged up into it, and it gives me a space to work. And so right here I am just dusting my husband's desk, which is super dusty. Normally he dusts it, but I've been waiting on him to get it done and he just hasn't done it yet, so I just figured I'd go ahead and get it done and out of the way. So I was wiping around his keyboard and stuff, and then I was dusting on top of the PC, and I knocked over that Thor hammer sitting right there, and I thought I had broke it. And then I walked around the corner and it was still in one piece. I was stressing about that because like my heart was in my toes when I accidentally knocked it over, and it took me a while to find that one, so I knew it would take me a while to find him another one, but still in one piece, thank goodness. So right here I'm just getting the floor vacuumed, and I am using my Dyson. I'm not sure what model this one is. My husband found it at Home Depot. It was on sale for like $130, so he bought that one for me. I do have two other Dysons. I sort of collect them. I had three. I gave one to my mother-in-law. So Dyson's one of my favorite vacuums. I'm going to pull out my other one, my cordless one, and I love that one. It's been a while since I've used it, especially since I have gotten that one. So now I'm just using my lavender linen spray that I make and spraying the couch down and the pillows, and I will also spray the dog beds with it. And Thor loves it when I spray his dog bed with the lavender spray, because he'll just roll in it, waller, and then it just relaxes him and he sleeps pretty good. So now I'm just getting this built-in dusted and all this wiped down. Oh my gosh, you guys, I almost burnt the banana bread. I had some bananas that were a little overripe, so I made banana bread, and I've been sitting here working on my voiceover and all this editing. I forgot about it. Like, I almost burnt that. So right here I'm just putting some water in my oil diffuser, and I'm using the Wallflowers from Bath & Body Works, and that black cherry smells so good. And I just use a pair of pliers and I pull the little wick out, and then it just takes a couple of drops and your house will smell good for hours. So now I am just rinsing out the cups and rinsing the plates off before I get started to do the dishes. And then I will go in and scrub out my sink before I actually start doing dishes. And I use the Soft Scrub as one of my favorite products to use to scrub out my sink and my bathtub. It takes a lot for the bathtub, but I use it a lot in my kitchen and the sink and everything. And I've ruined a few shirts because it does have bleach in it. But I'm going to get this scrubbed out and then get started on these dishes. And I struggle finding good music. I use YouTube library music, and I have a hard time finding good music. Me personally, I love Evanescence, Three Doors Down, Godsmack, Eminem, and R. Kelly, and all that other good stuff. And I really struggle finding good music. Stuff that, like, I don't know, that I like to listen to, but I guess YouTube library will just have to do for their music for now until I can find something better that I like better. And when it comes to washing my dishes, I've never said this before, but I always wash all the cups first, and then I will go in and wash the silverware, then the plates. It just makes more sense to me to do it that way because your cups are like the least dirty. All you gotta do is rinse them out and your water still stays really good. And like the silverware, you can rinse that off before you stick it in your dishwater. And so that just makes more sense to me. I don't know, maybe do y'all do that too, or is it just me? Because the way my husband and everybody else does dishes, it don't make sense to me. Like, my husband will wash the plates and the bowls first, and to me it's the way I was taught was you wash your cups first, then your silverware, then your plates, then your bowls, and so on. So, but anyways, now I'm just moving on to wiping down this countertop, and there was some tea spilt, a tea stain, and I will later go in and use the magic eraser to get that up. And my Lysol spray, that bottle, I showed it in another video. It has the refillable things. It's kind of like the Jaws cleaning products, where it comes with a little tube that you put in the bottle, and you put the spray nozzle on and twist it, and it releases the cleaning product into the water. It's reusable. I like that. I had to go to Bossier to find one, but because in my area they didn't have any, so I had to drive a little further to find it. But yeah, it is one of my favorites. And so now I'm getting the stove cleaned up, and I forgot about the tea. I forgot about that tea 4 times because I was busy doing other things, and it boiled over, and I had to pour it out and restart it. And then I just got back to being busy and doing what I was doing again. And yeah, I had to cook that like 4 times. So the 5th time, the tea was perfect. I didn't forget about it because I actually just stood in the kitchen until it was done. And oh my gosh, I just keep talking. I am so sorry. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and hit the bell notification button. It'll let you know every time I upload a new video. And I hope everybody has a wonderful Tuesday and have a wonderful 4th of July. Be safe. I will talk to you guys next week. So before I start playing music, because I am right here at the end of the video, would you guys rather me not talk so much and just play more music? Or do you guys like when I just sit here and talk about random things and just kind of ramble? I know it's pretty much, I haven't really sat here and talked like a lot through most of my videos, so if that's something you guys like, please let me know in the comments. So yeah, you know, we like it when you sit here and talk, and or if you don't, just say no, I don't, just play more music or just find better music. But anyways, I'm sorry. I'll talk to you guys later.